Maybe standing at the center of your mat, really getting rooted in your feet, bringing your palms, kissing palms into a namaste mudra, and really lifting up each foot mindfully and truly allowing yourself to root your body here. So bringing the left foot up, pressing through those touch points in the front heel pad and the rear heel pad, all the toes. And then in the right foot, really rooting down, connecting from ankles to knees to hips to belly, bringing the hands to the heart, widening your stance if that feels good, welcoming a breath that flows in through the nostrils, sending it away. Gathering a breath that comes deep and sends all the way down into your feet as you grow roots down beneath you. When we're dealing with overwhelm, it's because we get so lost in our thoughts and our fears. And in today's practice, let us root ourselves and become present in this moment. Exhale, the hands by your side, really wiggling out through the wrists, bouncing through the ankles and the knees, side to side, really allowing yourself to bring up any tension or tightness or overwhelm, and then wipe down like you're wiping through and you're cleansing and clearing and letting go. Any places where there's tension and tightness, just wipe it away. Wash the face, wash the arms, shake through the wrists, widening the stance on the feet, taking a big breath in, taking up space, welcoming the breath in, hinging from the heart center, reaching hands straight forward. Welcome the breath in. Exhale, fold forward and sweep side to side. Inhaling the breath, raising root to rise overhead like you're cleansing and clearing through the energy, washing it down your chakras, pressing out any tension or tightness. Exhale, sweep that energy down to the earth, side to side in this wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, hands reach up, cleansing and clearing your energy. Exhale, bringing that clear energy down, sending the body straight, fingertips point all the way to the hips. Exhale, side to side, sweep, sway, let go of any tension or tightness. Inhale, root to rise, bring that body up. Exhale, fold it halfway forward and sweep, moving through whatever you're struggling with. Inhale, root to rise, lovely light. Exhale, bringing clean energy into the body. Pointing the right toes to the short edge of the mat for a warrior one pose, hands on the hips and shoulders, reaching the hands to the side, coming in for simhasana, breathing up, straightening the leg, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, gather up any overwhelm and send it away. Bending into that front knee, welcome the breath that feeds the cells. Send it away. Inhale, gather, gather. Exhale, let go of this overwhelm as you transition, opening up for warrior two. Hind foot faces the long edge of the mat. Heart faces the long edge of the mat. Reaching arms front, long and strong. Bringing hands across and then exhale. Simhasana, lion's breath. Straighten the front leg. Exhale, send it away. Whatever is overwhelming, gather it up, release here. Inhale that front leg forward, straight. Exhale, Trikonasana, triangle, reach, stack shoulders over shoulders, imagining your body like it's squeezed into a pane of glass. You can use a block here. You can reach for the thigh. You can bend at the elbow. Find a variation of Trikonasana that works for you. Find strength within the triangle. Welcome the breath in, sending it away. Find a rootedness as you inhale, hinge back to that warrior two, bending that knee above the toes. Inhale, peaceful warrior, hind hand reaches down. Reverse peaceful warrior, swipes the palm up, finding peace within the mountains and the trees, finding a sense of calm and ease. Exhale, bringing a block forward if you have it and coming in for that wide-legged forward fold. If you don't have a block, you can generously bend the knees and heavy the head here. You can sway feeling any tension or tightness, and really allowing movement to guide you through this. Transition comes as we turn towards the left foot. Hind foot spirals back at a 45-degree angle. Front toes face the short edge of the mat. Heart and hips face the short edge of the mat. Warrior one. Inhale, come in, gathering up overwhelm as we release with that simhasana, lion's breath. Inhale the breath. Send it away. Inhale, straighten the leg. Find strength in your warrior. Send it away. Find and gather any tension and release, gather, gather. Let go that overwhelm, my love. Exhale, transition, warrior two. Lovely light. Hips and heart and arms and foot and the hind open up to the long edge of the mat. Lovely breath that rises in. Inhale, raising it up. Let that overwhelm go. Anything that's been angering you or frustrating you, gather all that energy up. Send it away. Inhale, what has been really overwhelming in your life? Breathe through it. Inhale, straighten the front leg. Exhale, tip from the shoulders. You can reach for the hip, the inner knee, down to the calf. If you have a block, it's wonderful here. You can stack shoulder over shoulder. Find strength in the body, keeping that top shoulder rolled up and back. Breathing strength in from the mountains. Exhale it away. Inhale, raising the body up. Warrior two. Allowing yourself to get rooted in your mind, in your body, in your spirit, my lovely light. Welcome the breath that feeds in. Front hand reverse comes up and back for a peaceful warrior. The hind right hand can bind back or reach down as you inhale the breath in. Send it away. Exhaling, straightening through the legs here. Coming in for that forward fold, and you can kind of heel toe as we meet down into this more primal yogi squat. So just bringing the awareness into the feet. You can come in for a front toe pad stand. You can use the arms as a kickstand, or if you can reach down for a yogi squat to help you really get rooted in your energy and ground yourself with the trees. And truly, as you bring that breath in, imagine roots sending down into the earth. Exhale and come to your bottom, however it feels for you. Welcoming that breath that comes in and sending it away. Bending through the knees, making a V with the body for a boat pose. So if you're having a hard time in your tummy, you can put blocks underneath. And then we're going to reach side, center to side for a little bit of a twist. If it's really hard in your belly, you can put a block under your heels, or you can power through and just come from one side to center to the opposite, really finding integrity in your spine, integrity in your breath, and knowing that doing hard things is actually doing them, and getting strong in your body and your mind and your spirit can be performed on your mat and can translate into the rest of your day and the rest of your life. Inhale, holding the breath, finding strength here within your boat pose. Feet come down, and exhaling your spine down with bent elbows here. So you're coming down here for a fish pose, Matsyendrasana. Imagine like a wall is coming up towards the feet with the legs lengthened long, creating a gentle back bend. You can reach the chin up and back, kickstanding on the elbows, hugging the shoulder blades together, really expanding and opening that lovely heart of yours. And then exhale to your back. You can start hugging the knees into the chest for an Apanasana, a double wind reliever. And exhale the right foot and ankle over the left for a laying pigeon, half a pigeon, or a laying figure four. And then you can just exhale the legs to one side for a laying supine twist, allowing any tension or tightness that's gathering up in the spine to be released within this posture, within your breath. Exhaling, undoing the feet. Exhale, right heel down, left reaches across for that laying pigeon. And then twist the body to the opposite side. So you're getting alignment and balance throughout the body, helping you get grounded and rooted as you lay here onto the earth, shifting and transitioning for our cool down. Root the shoulders down towards the earth and popping the hips and the legs up for a candlestick variation or a shoulder stand, really using the elbows as your kickstand. Find the variation that works for you. Feel free to get creative here. You can really create a roundness of the spine if your body wants. You can take your version of a plow pose, or you can also find a bridge pose if this is not in your practice. Really just allowing yourself to find strength within your body, your mind, and your spirit. Legs can straighten back up. You can bring the soles of the feet, kissing the soles of the feet for an inverted Baddha Konasana, gently relieving the spine back down on the earth. Exhale, setting up for your shavasana. If you have a pillow, you can put that underneath of the knees to create any lower back tension release. Laying down on the earth with me, let us gather up our tension and tightness in the jaw and the fist. Hold it and then exhale, let it go. Inhale, gather, feel tension and tightness in the jaw, hips, knuckles, all the way to the toes, and release. Gather, feel that tension, that tightness, that overwhelm we all create. Hold it in, soften it down, and allow yourself permission to let go, to relax through the scalp, to soften the eyelids, to relax through the jaw, allowing the shoulders to rest, allowing a wave of relaxation to wash down the arms to the fingers, gently relaxing a spiral up to that lovely heart of yours, allowing each vertebrae to relax down onto the earth, softening through the sit bones and the legs, allowing a wave of relaxation to wash all the way to the toes. And we will take a few moments to just be with what is. Gently coming back, awakening the fingers and the toes for a full body stretch. Maybe a yawn is in order, hugging the knees to the chest. You can stay on the back or meet me on the side, and you can whisper or receive these healing affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am rooted. I am rooted. I am rooted. I love myself just the way I am. I love myself just the way I am. Using that top arm as a kickstand and meeting in a seated position. Finding yourself in that seat. Bringing the hands to the knees. Bringing an inhale into the heart, grounding your energy. Integrating this practice to help you feel rooted in your day, transforming your palms, this energy, kissing palms to your heart center, and your highest good, and setting an intention for yourself, for your day, that no matter what comes your way, you will stay rooted in your mind, in your body, in your spirit. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my lovely lights. Thank you for practicing with me.